Whew. Alright guys, I got my new oh, hold on. I got my new tail lights. They just came in. They're the hold on, give me 1 second. These are the V3s. This is the one piece. They're red, not smoked, because the whole car doesn't have any smoked accents on it, so I wanted to keep it that way. Yeah, it's gonna look nice. Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I received, well, yesterday I received my V3 tail lights. It's these right here. And no, it's not. Hold on. It's these right here. I'll show you what they look like, but apparently my SD card is full, so I can't even record a lot. So I'm gonna switch it over to. I don't know. I'm gonna see how I can do this. I'm probably gonna have to delete my data. But yeah, guys, I got a lot of stuff here.